Hi everybody. All right, so you've been sticking with me through all the TBI drama stuff, and thank you all for your loving support. It means more to me than I can possibly say. You know, I did comments on a video and I was like, I only have 2 comments. That's so weird. It's because I never posted it outside of the KOKO fam. So I put that one up for you, and that's where we went dancing and just had a blast with our friends. Well, I found another one that was from when we first got to camp, and oh my gosh, I look horrible, you know, but it's like I decided I'm going to put it up anyway, because these are also my memories for long term that I can sit down and look back on one day. And plus it includes Jana for Gal and Sammy and Finn, and I just want to share it and have it on my YouTube channel, but it is from when we first got here. So y'all hang tight, bear with me through all of the odd scheduling of my videos, and I hope you enjoy this. Here comes the wind.
It's a good day today. It's a good day today.
Today is maintenance day. I am working on my tires. They are all at 50 except for one that is really low, and I'm embarrassed to tell you how low, so I don't think I will. No, I'm kidding. It's like 10 pounds low, 10-15 pounds low, but that's why you check them all the time. And I have this handy duty thing to check my it extends, and so I can check my what are they called, dualies, and I'm doing that. But I realized I didn't bring my knee mat with me, so I had to borrow Jana's. And I didn't bring another tool that I need, so I'm gonna have to borrow Dub's. It's like I thought that I was paring down in my rig and leaving behind at my home base things that I didn't need, but clearly I left things that I did. That was my dog turning over my chair, because he wanted to get to where Jana spilt coffee and creamer earlier today so that he could lick it. No.
Put him on short leash.
I
guess
Yeah, so Jana's telling me she put him on short lead, but he just pulled the chair over to get to it. Jana is fixing the bar that I broke the day that I was with River and Lauren. I pulled on it too hard, and so she cut that bar and got the bar at Home Depot. Home Depot. So you need me to hold a paper plate.
Something, but
Well-
I was thinking a paper plate.
While you do
I'm gonna
hardware work.
Yeah, it's gonna create aluminum shavings. I don't want them to get them in your carpet and the puppies
Aw.
get them in their feet.
That is so brilliant. Thank you for thinking of that. Yes, of course, I'll do whatever you need me to do.
Okay.
Sammy wants this stump. She says, I ain't gonna work on no stick. I want a stump. When she moves, y'all get to see what she has been working on so diligently. Sammy, I think it's bigger than that, baby.
Dig. 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 You know how to dig. There you go. Dig. Dig. There you go. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. I think it's too stuck.
Oh my gosh. So while Sammy's working on that, Finn is over here working on his bone. Did you give up? Good girl.
You give up.
You good girl.
You gave it your best
You
shot,
have a
didn't you?
bone right there if you want it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
My note.
Look at that. She says, I want that stump. It's probably 2 feet in the ground. What did your sister do? Can you tell? What did she do? He says she dug up little sticks for me. That's awesomeness. I think it might be out of your league, buddy. I'm just guessing. He says, oh, I'll take this stick. And you know we're going to take it away from you, but I'll let you walk with it for a minute. Okay, come here. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, come here. Good boy, Mama Jana. Grab that stick. Hey, buddy, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. He says, what is she doing with my stick? Solid as a rock. Bump, bump.
Solid as a rock.
So she has this one that we inherited, but she wanted a smaller one for cooking. So we just went and got some new rocks, borrowed a few, and made her little cooking fire pit for her new grill.
My new fire pit.
Oops,
How cool is that?
that's very cool. You said, how cool is that as you bent over? How cool is that?
How cool is that?
It's very cool.
Yeah, it's getting hot, isn't it?
It is.